Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial on inches, and we're going to be showing you how to create a small wooden handheld massager. I have one here at the house. It's got a free floating ball in the middle. It's not very big, but it has a little disc to hold on to, and the ball in the middle moves. So I might make mine slightly larger, so we'll go ahead and go File, New Design. We'll go to Plan View. We're going to create the center piece in the middle. So we'll grab our circle tool. We'll type in 1.5. Okay, now we're going to do the outer rim. We'll just make it 3. So we're going to actually draw another circle. Throw that out to 3. Okay, now we're going to go and actually this is about this thing's about roughly a ½ inch thick. So let's put a line down the middle. So I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger. So let's go offset. Let's offset this 0.25. Offset it again, 0.25. And then, okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab the trim away tool. This is going to be the sphere in the center here. This will be the ball in the middle. So what we want to do is we want to offset. We want to offset this circle just a little bit, so 0.1, because this is going to be what floats around, and maybe even smaller than that. So undo. Let's go offset. Let's turn off the snap so we get a manual offset. Let's go 0.06. So 0.06, type in. Okay, this is going to be, we want to revolve this piece around, so we'll go Control plus. We want to go ahead and grab our trim away tool. We want to trim away this stuff. Okay, we have a little piece here that this is going to get revolved around. So we'll get rid of these. This is going to be the free floating ball. Get rid of all this stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and put a line down the middle for the ball. Do the trim away the left side. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit closer, and we're going to make some adjustments to this. So let's go ahead and do our offset. Let's offset this 0.5. Actually, click 0.05. Okay, now we're going to offset up 0.05, and then we're going to trim. We're going to trim that one, and then we're going to zoom in, Control plus. Let's pan over. We're going to go get our 3-point arch. We're going to put an arch in there. Actually, let's do this. Undo. Let's put a line in the center here. Let's go right mouse click on that line, set as mirror, grab our 3-point arch, and then we're going to put a radius in there. Okay. Now we're going to grab our line tool. We're going to go from endpoint. This needs to come down because it's kind of like a little disc shape. We'll click there, grab our 3-point arch. We're going to go from here to here, and then we're going to bow this out as far as we can to when it's tangent. You're going to get trim away. Let's trim away all these pieces. Trim away this middle piece. Now we're going to move this. So let's go ahead and select everything. Let's go to move, and we're going to move it 0.04 inches. Okay. So now we're going to have this ball is going to revolve around. This is going to revolve around. It's going to lock the center ball in the middle there. So we'll go Control minus. We're going to pull. We're going to select this. Revolve around the midpoint, and then full pull. Now we're going to select this piece, pull, revolve around midpoint, pull. Okay, now we're going to rotate this. So this ball here is going to spin freely when you print it. You're going to be able to hold on to these edges, and then this is going to be your little handheld massager. We'll go ahead and view that from the top. So it looks like a little flying saucer. You're going to have a free floating ball in the center, and then you're going to be able to hold on to the outer rims. You can use it as a neck massager. You're just going to have to, once you print this, print it with support or without support, but if you print it with support, you'll have to wash the support out of in between here, and then the ball should rotate freely. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial on the little hand massager. Hope you enjoyed watching, and hopefully you got something useful out of this video. Thanks for watching.